Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to check and analyze language report in Google Analytics 4. So you have to log in your Google Analytics account, then select your account and property details, and then click on reports. And in the user section you will find user attributes, and then click on demographics. If you are not able to find out this section, you can go to library and click here on three dots and publish it. Then you can easily find out. Let's see on demographics details. You will by default find country wise data. Click here and now you can see the language report. So click on the language, you can find all the language. So language report, you can analyze. How you can analyze? You can see the new users, engaged sessions, and also conversion rate and revenue. So you can easily check which language is giving you a great conversion and conversion rate and revenue, and easily you can identify which languages are beneficial for your business, and accordingly you can optimize further. If you want to see a device wise data here, in respect to language, you can choose device category from the secondary dimension, and you can see device wise data as well. So it's a demo account, I don't have much data, but you can easily do it. If you want to see the country, that which country is giving and which country is connected to which language, you can see easily. So all are from English language. So I don't have much data to explain here, but in your case you easily find out that this language suits for this country. So this is how you can analyze and check language data, and so many reports you can create. You can add filter, comparison, everything is available here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can visit my website techyans.com. Thank you so much.